What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. And if you're new, I'm a Jamaican living in Australia. And as you can see the background, the sky is very cloudy right now, which we've been getting a lot of rain over the weekend. But today is Monday, and I decided that I'm picking up something from Bunnings. What I got here is a raised garden bed, as you can see, which is something that I decided I've been thinking about this for a while. Of start upgrading to garden beds, raised beds, and upgrade the garden, because a lot of the times I have plants where suffered because of the poor soil and or sometimes too much water in the ground. So this is gonna be an upgrade, and also over the course of this winter I'm planning to get a few more beds so I can actually create more raised bed in the backyard, so yeah, I'm excited about this, and it looks easy to set up, and it is we got there so it's 200 centimeter by width, 50 centimeter by depth, and 41 centimeter by height. So which is pretty. I paid $109 for this, 109 Australian dollars, and yeah, so it's a pretty decent size one. So pretty excited about it. No, mama, leave it. Yeah, so I'm gonna set it up. Apparently I don't need any tools or anything to get it set up. It's pretty easy to set up, so we're gonna get doing it, hopefully before the rain starts. All right, so this is what we're working with. This way so y'all can see. Woo. There we have it. These are what it looks like. So these are you would call like the columns that would hold the sheets of zinc in place. So this is not even a manual. The manual is actually on the back of it. So it's okay. It's okay. All right, so they're pretty solid. These are pretty solid. Yeah, they look pretty easy to set up, for real. There is no screws nor nails or anything involved. So what we're working with is pretty simple. So I need to look on the box for the instruction, of course. Alright, so it seems pretty straightforward. No. Ocean, no. Okay, so I guess Ocean, off of it. Good girl. So we got some little things here that we're gonna put on it as well. So this is how it looks. So we got this, which I guess I just slide it on like this. Sorry if the camera handle is not doing well. Well, I have a face tracker, so it mainly tracking my face, not the actual object, but looks pretty good. All right, so and I think, okay, so these are gonna go on here. Okay, I get it. I get the concept. Ocean, get off, mama. Come on. And this one, from my understanding, it goes in the middle here. It's gonna be a two-section compartment. This one got stuck. Ocean, come on, mama. There we go. I've never seen anything like this before. Like, it just seems pretty easy to set up. Like, alright. And this is like the one for this section, which would go here, but I need another compartment there. So it's coming along. I'm gonna do the other side like this. Then I Oh, you picked Rosella. She's picking by Rosella. Alright, so that side is pretty much done. We're gonna get this groove on. It is so easy, like no nails involved. You're picking them off. Alright, so where does this one go now? I think that goes in the middle. So if that goes in the middle, that means this goes like this. I mean, Ocean.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Look, Daddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Go.
Yeah, aeroplane. Aeroplane.
Mommy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Yes, Mama.
Plane.
Yeah, plane. See, it goes. Yeah. It's flying. Get these closer. Wait. No. This is where it gets a bit tricky because I have to get the Ocean. No, Mama. Go play over there. I have to put this groove in. No. Leave it.
Bye.
There, we almost got it. Just trying to put both of them together. All right, that part is done. She wants to help. So this one would sit in the middle here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Just have to adjust these things and it should be good. Good job, Mama. Careful, careful. Hmm? Okay, here. Can use that one. Up, up. Look. Put it like this. So it does get wibbly, but let me show you all. All right, so this is what it looks like. Nice raised bed. As you can see, put on all the grooves on it. It just takes a few minutes to set up, really. Yeah, it's not hard to do it. I definitely plan to get some more of these. And yeah, I have a lot of raised bed in the backyard now. Alright, so this is the spot where I'm going to leave this raised bed. And as you can see already, the box that it came in, I put in the bottom. I'm gonna be filling it up with some sticks and some other compost before I even start loading it up with dirt and all that, you know. So yeah, It's a start of many that I plan to get some more raised bed.